Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best home exercise equipment in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Flybird Adjustable Bench. A sturdy and versatile weight bench. Made of commercial thickness steel, passed thousands of weight tests to ensure safety for workout every time, not the mendacious bench. Fashion adjustable bench, fashion design with triangle structure, made of heavy-duty commercial quality steel, 600 pounds weight capacity, give you a safe fitness experience, no worry for stability. Fast adjustment with simple methods. Designed with 6 back positions and 4 seat positions for full body workout, you just pull the support bar, adjust to the place which fit yourself, and all is done. High cost-effective bench, used 9.7 in width backrest, and the pad is filled with soft foam and made of high-quality leather, fit for up to 5.9 in, a good choice for primary or middle fitness fanatic. Save 80% space, Flybird foldable bench, easy to carry and no assembly needed. You can put it in the corner, closet, or under the bed when you finish workout. Number 2. Our second best pick is TRX All-in-One Suspension Training System. A whole body gym system that fits anywhere. Not only can this system attach to pretty much any door, but you can anchor it to rafters, trees, or outdoor posts as well. No matter where you set it up, you can use it to practice and master TRX's 7 foundational moves: pushing, pulling, lunging, hinging, squatting, planking, and rotating, all of which are meant to target core and resistance training. The system's accompanying exercise guide and online workout list help make it appealing to newcomers to TRX and seasoned practitioners alike. And, as CNET previously reported, this particular training system is fitness trainer approved. Weighing less than a pound, this TRX suspension trainer sets up in under a minute and comes equipped with everything you need to train inside, outside, and on the go. This workout kit will be your new favorite travel gym companion. Number 3. Our third best pick is Qwesen Jump Rope. For warm-ups and jump rope workouts. Jumping rope is a great workout for its range of motion, calories burned, weight loss, and getting your heart rate up. This adjustable, tangle-resistant jump rope from Qwesen proves that cardio equipment as essential as a jump rope doesn't have to be boring. This lightweight design and comfort foam handles reduce strain on your hands, allowing you to burn calories and get in a great workout skipping or jumping without unnecessary discomfort. Its foam handles offer a comfortable grip on the jump rope, while its steel wire rope provides enough momentum for a steady, smooth rhythm. In turn, reviewers write that it's great for double and triple jumping. The rope comes coated with PVC for protection, ensuring long-term cardio workout use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is CanDo Black Composite High Density Roller. A basic foam roller to relieve muscle soreness. This simple, non-vibrating, untextured foam roller may seem a little basic, but that actually makes it perfect for a home gym setting. Made with firm premium molded foam that's more rugged than polyethylene, our black composite foam roller holds its shape through repeated use. Perfect for yoga, Pilates, CrossFit, weight training, and bodybuilding. Beginners and professionals alike will get more out of their routines with this exercise roller. Enhance your PT procedures with our foam roller for physical therapy. It is ideal for stretching and relieving multiple muscular injuries. After an intensive workout, use this foam roller for legs, back, or neck deep tissue massage to help ease muscle soreness and increase blood flow. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is FitCord X Over Resistance Band. Heavy-duty resistance bands. X bands made in America. X Over back resistance bands are designed specifically for shoulder and arm care. The unique crossover style of resistance is designed for working the smaller muscles to increase the stability of your rotator cuff and the smaller muscles that create stability around your shoulders, scapula, and arms. The support that this particular type of band and exercises provide allows you to function better with any and all activities you do that include your upper body. These durable resistance bands from FitCord pack a 1-2 punch when it comes to longevity. Made of dipped latex, the most durable material for resistance bands, The FitCord X over resistance bands feature a scrunched nylon safety sleeve that protects the latex underneath from UV damage and harsh weather. The sleeve also protects you in the case that your band snaps during use, but that's unlikely with a dipped latex resistance band. FitCord makes X over bands up to 55 pounds in resistance, which is plenty for the average person who wants to work out with resistance bands. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.